Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shadow token. Name of the token is Shadow, ticker symbol is also Shadow. Now this token got 3 big central exchange listings last night, February 20th. We're going to go over the information on the Shadow token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. A little bit under the weather today. I got a halls in my mouth here, so if my voice is raspy. Had a massive fever last night, so good time, but still uploading these videos. So here we go. Can't miss a day of crypto. Now, this token, their webpage is shadow.so. Over there you can find a Discord, GitHub, Twitter, all sorts of links there. Now this token is on the Sonic blockchain. You can find it on sonicscan.org. And they have 4,524 holders so far, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply 3,212,105 tokens. So I'm going to put their Twitter up here. It's going to have links to the Discord, the webpage, 15,000 followers at Shadow on Sonic. Check out my Twitter I just made recently in the description box down there. You can follow me on Twitter. But this token here just got 3 big central exchange listings as of last night. So they got listed on Weex, they got listed on Coinex Global, and they got listed on Mexc Global. So if you don't have any of those accounts, I do have referral codes to Weex, Mexc, and Coinex, all down there in the description box. So you're welcome to use those if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex, Mexc, or Weex referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Shadow, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they do have a full document section you can find here. So it says Sonic Native Concentrated Liquidity Exchange, the ultimate trading hub on Sonic. And you can launch the app on their webpage. They have a search document section. They have a quick start guide. So it says Shadow Exchange is a concentrated liquidity layer, an exchange built on the Sonic network powered by X33, a more fluid and accessible incentive model built for Sonic. With sub-second block times and instant finality, Shadow delivers an ultra-responsive trading experience on par with Sonic's speed. Liquidity providers can adjust positions rapidly to capture opportunities, while traders enjoy near zero slippage on Shadow. Shadow also takes advantage of the Sonic's Fee M, which returns 90% of the gas spent to improve the user experience through dynamic fees and arbitrage MEV. So some of the key features is the X Shadow PvP rebase, X33, concentrated liquidity, competitive farming, active staking, dynamic fees, liquidity staking, and fee share. So they have a whole partners section that you can check out as well. So what is the X33? So it says here, Andre Cronje revolutionized exchanges by creating a system where all participants are incentivized to act in the best interest of each other on the exchange. While not perfect, it was a huge step forward and aligns incentives with participants. And so it says a core element of the VE33 model was the rebasing of locked positions to prevent a user from being diluted by emissions. The anti-dilution mechanic for VE token holders allowed them to maintain the same ownership without having to buy and lock more tokens. So X Shadow addresses dilution with a unique PvP rebase, which acts both as a dilution protection and additional yield. So instead of minting new tokens to be locked positions, X33 does two things. Number one, X Shadow stakers are able to capture emissions created by the protocol with emission exits. And number two, X Shadow allows holders to exit early, sacrificing their voting power. The forfeited underlying tokens are streamed to existing stakers proportionally to their positions. So they go over vote escrow, which has to do with governance on-chain voting systems. And they also have the X Shadow section here. So what is X Shadow? X Shadow is a token developed by the Shadow team to address the sustainability challenge associated with the VE33 models. X Shadow combines the best of vote escrow with the flexibility of traditional escrow incentive systems. So what can you do with X Shadow? Well, X Shadow stakers can vote to direct rewards to their favorite LP pairs. By staking, they earn 100% of the protocol fees, vote incentives, and penalties from exit. So the X Shadow is a non-transferable representation of 1 unit of Shadow held in escrow with the X Shadow smart contract. So only holders of X Shadow have voting rights on Shadow. While X Shadow itself is non-transferable, it provides users with different exit options, instant or vesting, and users can acquire X Shadow through vote incentives, token emissions, or by converting Shadow. Now, they have here also a section on the legacy liquidity. If you want to learn about swaps, pair types, swap curves, fee structure, pairs, rewards, and incentives. They have a whole section about concentrated liquidity and order books, Shadow CL, the range, examples, competitive farming, what are the benefits. And then we have the tokenomics. So distribution here for the token, we got 10% of the Shadow tokens going to airdrop, 10% going to partners, 25% contributors, 25% pre-sale, 10% POL, we got 15% going to reserves, and 5% going to community incentives. Now you can find all of this, even the guides, the breakdowns, the resources, docs.shadow.so. And like I said, you can find this token newly listed on Coinex Global, Mexc Global, and Weex. And all those are in the description box. This token is available now. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.